What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today I have a ton of extra paints over here. I have a fluorescent orange, titanium white, violet, magenta. They both have a little bit of titanium white in them just to lighten them up, and then a cerulean blue. This was from my previous pour. I have leftover paints. I always make too much paint. So we're gonna do a flip and lip, and this time I'm not gonna forget to do the lip. But let's start layering the cup, you guys. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm having a great day. Putting a little titanium white in there because, as I said previously, if this blue and that orange overmix, it's not gonna be a pretty color, you guys. I promise you. Turned into a kind of a baby poop green / brown. And it's not a very good look. I mean, I don't think that's any colors that people were particularly looking for in their pours. And with it being a flip, we still might experience a little bit of mixing of those colors. I'm hoping not. So I'm trying to be extra careful and make sure the white is a good barrier. To be more careful when I was pouring the white because it was just punching straight through. The white is meant to be a barrier between the cerulean blue and the fluorescent orange, because I do not want nasty color combinations if I can avoid it. But I think I've told you guys a few times, but just to reiterate, just in case somebody missed it, if you mix colors that are opposite on the color wheel, they cancel each other out and create like a gray / brown, really dull looking color combination. So we try to avoid that. And that was just something for those of you that might be just starting out and don't know, just like I was a few years back. I had no idea that colors would cancel each other out at all. But now I do, and now I make sure to try to prevent it when possible. Alright, we're getting towards the end here, guys. But this is allowing some of those cells to form that were just below the surface. And I'll show you what I mean though with the torch. I'm going to show you on the side over here so that way it doesn't mess up the painting. But you see that explosive growth of cells? That's kind of what I'm talking about. And I don't want to do that here, because if I do that here, I basically got to do the whole canvas. And then those little cells, as you can see, they're already starting to like grow into each other and deform and stuff. And I really like the way this looks. So I'm gonna let the cells just gradually form. I'm probably gonna give it a couple minutes for the paint to cool off and the cells to stop rising to the top. Then we're gonna get down there, check it out. Well, you guys, I'm actually really loving this one. That fluorescent orange just gives us just enough of like some contrast. And then the white and the magentas and the blues are like little worlds in themselves. Beautiful.